Aruni. Oh, darling, dear darling.
Hello. Can I take a minute of your time, please? You can be in your Holy Spirit or Spirit, but can I have a minute of your time, please? Dear printers, the packagers and the publishers, thank you very much for coming for this event. And this is the very first time that the Sri Lankan Association of Printers, the Packaging Association and the publishers, we managed to get together and to organize an event like this. So it's a good time that all three different associations managed to get an opportunity to meet like this and talk whatever we want and have a good time. And the very important thing is I have to thank Mr. Veeraman from the publishers, the president of the publishers, and Mr. Dudley Thambinayam, the packaging president, for helping to organize a joint program. And why don't you give a big hand? It's only one or two. Okay. Because the printers and publishers, we make a lot of noise, so whenever we get an opportunity to clap, I think because we hold a class in the, when we organized this, I had some problems of organizing it because you know the expenditures and cost and all sort of things. So I was just scratching, I didn't have much hair also, and I didn't know how to do it. Then DIC, called paperwork that is already done. So there is a big scope for you all, not to undercut DRA itself, think about the international market also. So if you want to be an observer also, you can go, there is a price deduction on the article. So if you are interested to participate in the paperwork, please contact the association, they will do the needful. And before I just finished off my speech, I wanted the two presidents to come up, the packaging, Mr. Veeraman, sorry, the publisher, Mr. Veeraman, and Mr. Dudley Kamina. Can I have both of them on the stage, please? Unfortunately, we don't have anything to give them. We just wanted to take them up and give them a big hand. Every time we come and do some go, when they'll go home, they'll ask, what did you get to know? So we have to know, we have to get some knowledge. So I will call DIC Alan to give something about his ink factor. So please give a big hand to Alan today.
Thank you, Mohan. I think qualified, but he's going to say that he's not going to take more of your time. I assure you I'm not going to take more than 5-6 minutes of your time. Firstly, DIC Sri Lanka is proud to be associated with the Sri Lanka Association of Printers in organizing this event, especially for print owners in the printing, packaging and book publishing sector. And it's a pleasure to be up here talking to you. Like I said, I won't take 6 or 7 minutes of your time. Now, this evening all of you would have driven here or were driven here in one of your limousines or an SUV or as the case may be. Which is either on diesel or petrol. And while most of you will not bother about how much it costs for a litre, I'm sure you are concerned about miles per gallon. Because I have some of my friends here who say, I didn't go there in my Jeep because it costs more. I went here in my car because it costs less. Now that's the kind of thing I want to get into your little minds this evening, so that on Monday morning you can talk to your production guys and tell them to have a rethink when someone says that ink costs more. Actually, when you're buying something that is less in price, think about it, you're paying more. You might ask why. Because you must not look at cost per kilo, rather look at run length or impressions per kilogram. And I assure you that if you have time, I know you're all under pressure to deliver and all that, but tell your production guys, spend a little time, do a little test, and check the ink that costs 550 kilos, 50 rupees a kilo as opposed to 500. What it gives you, and I assure you that you are going to come up trumps. Because really, when you spend 500 rupees a kilo as opposed to 550, you think you are saving, but actually you are losing. Just think about it. That's one thing I want to get across. And another thing is, this is the day and age that all talk about green this, green that and all that. But no one tells you that when you go to the green, it's going to affect your bottom line and you're going to go into the red rather than green or black. But, and you might tend to ask, DIC Group is now the largest printing ink manufacturer in the world. And you might tend to ask, what is DIC doing about it? We feel that our actions should speak louder than words. So we have come up with several products. Diamond is one of the products. And we also have, that is called Sheetfed. And we also have on the liquiding side what we call Smart MP. Some of you are users of those. What do these products do? They give you better environmental friendliness and also give you higher run length and also comply with all the environmental regulations. Think about it. And another thing that you might experience on the Sheetfed side is a migration of inks. Now DIC has come up with a product which is called the LMQ range. It is also, it will control migration. You might have a shelf stock of a Sheetfed packaging for maybe 4-5 months and you might find that your buyer will complain that the inks are migrated to board and it affected the food. Now you use these inks, you will have a positive advantage. Those are my printer service announcements for the evening. Just one more announcement.
Same price or?
Yes, Peter. At the moment, we are going with the diamond 4-color set, which is identical as the XLG 4-color set. So I want to create an awareness. And then get a little business out of it also. There's one more announcement. This is on behalf of the Printers Association. The new committee has set upon itself to train the printers. And we are progressively going ahead with some training programs which are to be conducted not by business-minded people, but people specially trained for the purpose. And in the next 2-3 months and over the next year, you will find that these training programs will come on screen. They are not only for the printing industry, also for the packaging. And I can assure you, of course, you will have the details in the period ahead. Please subscribe to these because it's you that makes the Printers Association run. And you make use of these programs, it's going to benefit you because ultimately you are going to gain by it. And also one of the most significant things that we will be doing, the committee will be doing over the next year, is having a couple of programs for the advertising agencies. Because many a time the advertising agencies go ahead with designs and all that, which are not suitable, they're not suitable for the printing process, not suitable for the paper size and all that. So our education committee, headed by the able Mr. Hiran De Silva, has come up with a program, and these programs will come on stream in the next 2-3 months. Thank you very much.
Vale. Venga, bajante, venga, bajante. Oh.